Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernest Chooks. In this video I'm going to teach you something very interesting, so stick with me. You can see if I go over to fiverr.com and I search for human AI right here, and you're gonna see many gigs right here offering human AI video creation. You can see all the gigs right here. It can go on and on and on and on. So let me just go over to this guy right here and let's see what it's all about. Okay, let me just play his sample video right here and let's see what it's all about. Okay, I hope my connection is not that bad. Okay, you can see that.
I am an artificial intelligence spokesperson. This video is a sample for what you can get from this gig.
You can see that, guys. Let me just pause this.
And gain more potential clients. I got some facts for you.
You can see that, guys. So this is practically a human-like, video. These people looks like real humans, and then they are speaking. You understand? And their mouths are shaking, and their eyes, all the gestures, their hands, and whatever. So they are speaking whatever you type in, whatever you want them to speak, they speak, and then do all the gestures and all that, and you choose the background and you choose the outfit and all that, and you choose the actual character, whether a male or female, and you choose the actual voice and whatever. So guys, people are actually doing this and they are offering it as a gig for sale on Canva, and they are making a lot of money. You can see this guy. Let's go back to the guy's page. You can see the guy has one order in queue and he already has 5-star review from 65 people. Sorry about that, pardon me, from 65 people, and he's selling the basic package for $493. You can see that, guys, and the standard one is around $59 and the premium here is 50. Wow, this is great. You can see, so this guy is making a lot of money. Not only this guy, anyway, each and every one of them here are making a lot of money from these, and I would teach you how to make this kind of video without even knowing how to use the Adobe After Effects, Premiere Pro, or whatever sophisticated tools. I will show you a resource on the internet that can help you create this kind of video in minutes, guys, in minutes. So you can simply go over to fiverr.com, create an account, offer a gig like this, do a sample video like this, and then you can use it to make a lot of money. You can also go over to places like Upwork, Freelancer.com, and whatever, each and every other freelancing platforms. You can offer this kind of gig and you make a lot of money. You can also use this kind of videos on your website. In my YouTube channel I talk more of web development, so these videos, also this kind of videos, comes in very handy if you are building a kind of WordPress website or maybe marketing website or whatever. You can use this kind of video, so you can create this kind of videos and you can charge your client more for creating this kind of video as maybe an add-on service or whatever. You understand what I'm saying? So I'll teach you how to create this kind of video on the internet. You don't need to know how to use Adobe After Effects or maybe Premiere Pro or all those sophisticated tools. So stay right with me in this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, guys. I paid someone to learn this. I paid someone to get this information, and I'm teaching you for free. So please show me a small gratitude and click the like button, and also hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any question in between this video. So without wasting much of the time, guys, let's get started into the video while I show you what tool you don't know yet, guys. This is awesome, and the tool I'm talking about is Colossian Creator. I don't know how to pronounce this. I don't know if this is English language or whatever. I don't know how to pronounce this, but I hope I get it. Colossian, Colossian.com or whatever. I would leave the link to the website in the description of this video, so you go check it out. Colossian.com, and you can see this is their homepage right here. You can see how the website looks. You can see these are human faces and they do the gestures and all that. You can see with their hands, with their faces, their eyes, with their mouth and all that. You can see they are male and they are females, and you can just check their website. So I'll just click this create your own AI video here, and let's see. Guys, this website is awesome. You don't know that something like this exists. So I was trying to check out the website, and I created a demo video, and I think the demo video is still here with me, which is kind of a credit to the website, because I didn't save the work, but I actually didn't lose the work at all. So this is kind of a credit. It's kind of a credit to the work. So if you open the website from this tab, you click on create your own AI video, and then it will take you here. But note that your sheet will be clean, because it's your first time visiting the website. So I'm just going to play this stuff so you can see how it sounds. You can see how humanly it sounds. I will just click this listen to scripts. Let's see.
Hey there, you are welcome.
Okay guys, you can see that.
On my YouTube channel, I post content related to website development, website design, WordPress, PHP script installation, and tips and tricks that helps us to use the internet effectively. If any of these interest you, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video.
Okay guys, you heard how that was sounding very, very perfect. So you can actually do stuffs like this, and then you can offer them as a gig, and you'll be making money. Guys, you don't need to know how to use all these sophisticated tools. You don't need to know any of that. Just right information at the right time that I'm giving you right now. You can go to Colossian.com and create an account with them. Yes, with a free account you can start. Yes, they have a paid account, but with a free account you can start. Guys, this is awesome. You can even use it on your website as well. Maybe you're making a sales page, or maybe a marketing website, or whatever, a sales page for a product. You need this kind of videos. You need this kind of videos, guys. So I'm just leaving this information for you right here. I'm not going to teach you much on how to use this website, but I just want to show you this website and drop the information for you. So you go over to the Colossian.com, try out many tools. You can see they have background. You can change out any background of your choice. You can add shapes, media, and whatever text that you want. If I just click here, I can be able to edit this text. You can see my mouse moving right here. You can edit this text, or maybe change any background, or use a custom background. You can use a picture. You can see uploads. You can do many things, guys. You can even add music in the background. You can add transitions. Guys, there are many tools for you to explore right here. So I'm just leaving this video out for you, and you can add many scenes as well. So if I want to add a scene maybe with a different character, I will do that. Just click on this plus sign and I will do that, guys. So I'm just leaving this information with you guys. If you actually want to make money online, and if you are very serious about that, take this information as a very, very rich information. So you can go over to Colossian.com, create an account, and then make a sample video. Now go over to Fiverr.com, or maybe Upwork, or Freelancer, or any other freelancing platform. Create a gig, post the sample you did, and then you will start getting clients, guys. Many people don't have time to do all these stuffs, and they need it, so they go over to freelancing platforms like Fiverr right here, and they achieve the same thing, guys. So this is what I want to show you in this video. If you really learned a lot from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any question, also leave it from in the comment section below. And finally, if you are new to my YouTube channel and you like what I do, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification, so you'll be one of those that will receive an alert whenever I post a new video. That'll be it in this video, guys. Goodbye for now.